What is up, guys? Probably from like the little starting clip, you're probably wondering what I'm gonna do today on the SI. Well, I'll flip the camera and I'll explain. All right. So today I'm gonna be replacing this K2 Furo. Nothing wrong with it. I just didn't really want it anymore. I wanted a different look. What else I'm gonna be also doing is getting rid of the stock line and replacing it with this steel braided hose line. I have to put the AN fittings onto it, and where the stock line would go, this fuel adapter, so I can run these AN fittings. This is the fuel rail. This is the fuel pressure regulator. I actually wanted one with a fuel pressure regulator right here. And yeah, if you know a K-tuned, you either have to put it on one side or in the middle. I didn't really like how it was there. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing how to do your line and what steps to take. So first I'm gonna be starting by removing the stock air intake out of the way because I need to get back there, and I'll come back right after. All right, so first you're gonna want to start by, like I said, removing that stock air box if you're gonna do a tuck line like I am. But if not, you don't need to really worry about the air box and the stock side. I mean, if you're not doing that. But yeah, you want to take out these two. I already took out one. It's a 6mm Allen key. You can just loosen it. Don't forget to unplug the injectors. And after this, I'm gonna put a rag because I know gas is gonna start coming out a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna try to hopefully catch it all with a rag. If not, spray some brake cleaner or something to pick it up. And yeah, I'll show you when I get it off and at least have the hybrid racing one all mocked up. Get your fuel rail, well, when it's on there. This fitting right here, even on the stock one, it's right inside of your feed line right here. You just want to pinch it and pull. Be careful not to break it, but even if you do, you can just find this at any car, like any Honda or Acura, and just, you know, pull it off at a junkyard. But yeah, you just want to pinch on both sides evenly and pull. And yeah, I at least got the fuel out, so now cleaned up a little bit of the gasoline that came out. And yeah, I'm gonna put on the hybrid racing one. Alright, so this is pretty much how the fuel rail is gonna sit. I don't like how this AN fitting is sitting. Like, I didn't put the line or anything. But what I am gonna do is just mount it up the regular way it would come with the hold on, this fitting, and just run it the same way I did with the K-tuned one. And I'll order the right part I want. I want a straight fitting, so it'll go straight down and wouldn't stick out as far going this way. It'll just go straight down and more that way. So I ordered the line. Order the fitting, and I'll do a separate video for the line. This is pretty much, I was just playing with it right here because I was like trying to see. I didn't really like how it fit. So yeah, I'm just gonna bolt it all the way down and install the fuel pressure regulator right here, and I'll come back to that. All right, so I got everything back on the car. I did prime it, and everything looks fine. I did start it for a little just now. I checked for leaks. Check over here, underneath. This is your fuel pressure gauge if you have one, over here and here. Also probably by your injectors too. But yeah, the only part I know you should run Teflon tape is this fuel pressure gauge because of the splines of the thread. Yeah, that's pretty much the only place where you have to run Teflon tape. You can run it if you want, but you don't really have to. And this one, you don't really have to, but if you want, you can. And yeah, so after I get, hold on, where's the fitting? Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, so there's these two AN fittings. Didn't really like how this one looked in the center, was running more towards the front of the car, and I wanted to run a little closer to the back like that instead of coming out so much further and doing a bend. So what I am gonna do is just order a straight AN fitting. I already have the adapter for it right here. It's on the top. And yeah, you also need this fuel line adapter. But yeah, that will be in the next video. I'll just hold on. All right, so I couldn't really figure out at first these little black spacers. You actually do need those for the fuel rail, just if anybody was wondering, because I know I couldn't find anything. But yeah, like I said, the next video, I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you to whoever watched, subscribe, anything, share, like, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, whatever, and peace.